In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email sync in Pipedrive. We'll walk through each step to ensure your email is seamlessly connected to your Pipedrive account, which can significantly enhance your productivity and streamline your workflow. So let's dive right in. First, you're going to open up your web browser and navigate to pipedrive.com. Once there, look for the login button, typically located in the top right corner of the page, and click on it. This will guide you to the login screen where you can access your account. You'll need to enter your email and password into the designated fields. Make sure you type them correctly to avoid any login issues. If you've misplaced or forgotten your credentials, there's often an option to recover or reset them. After entering your details, click on the login button to proceed. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to your Pipedrive dashboard. From here, navigate over to the Pipeline with Deals section. This is a central hub where you can manage your deals and keep track of ongoing projects. Next, locate your profile's account icon. This is usually represented by your picture or initials in the top right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Within that menu, search for the Personal Preferences option and select it. This will lead you to a page where you can customize various settings related to your personal account preferences. In the Personal Preferences section, look for the Email Sync option. Clicking this will introduce you to Pipedrive's email synchronization feature, which allows you to connect and sync your email account with Pipedrive. This is a great way to ensure that your email communications are directly linked to your deals and contacts. Now, to proceed with the setup, click on Connect Email Account. You'll be prompted to choose the email account you wish to sync. If you have multiple accounts, ensure you select the one you use for business operations. Once you've made your selection, confirm your choice by clicking on your email. Follow the prompts, which will guide you through the authentication process necessary to link your email account securely. When prompted, don't hesitate to click Continue if permission requests appear. These are essential for granting Pipedrive access to your email account for seamless integration. Finally, complete the setup by clicking Sync. This command initiates the synchronization process between your chosen email account and Pipedrive. Depending on the size of your inbox and the volume of emails, this might take a few moments. Once completed, your emails will be efficiently integrated with your Pipedrive account, allowing you to